Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Dai. Hello, friends. Here I want to explain a little summary about my UAS. I'm here to immediately assess myself about by how deserving I am of getting grades uh, starting from a score of 87. I'm giving myself a score of 87 because I have worked hard to understand the concept in the numerical method course. I have consistently attended class. I have actively particip- participate in discussion and complete all assignment on time. Although there are still some areas where I need to deepen my understanding, I have shown significant progress and I'm committed to continuous learning. For a score of 90, I'm giving myself a score of 90 because I believe I have demonstrated a strong understanding of the material taught in this course. I have not only attended every class and complete my assessment well, but I have also actively solved additionally reference to deepen my understanding. Furthermore, I often help my classmates understand difficult concepts, which shows my ability to apply and explain numerical method. For a score of 95, I'm giving myself a score of 95 because I have achieved a deep and comprehensive understanding of all the material in numerical methods course. I have consistently attended and actively participate in every class session, complete all assessment and project excellently, and engage actively in class discussion. I also take the initiative to solve additional problem and apply numerical methods to personal project, demonstrating that I not only understand the theory but can also apply it in various practical situations. And next, number two is intention. Acknowledge Allah power. Ya Allah, the one and only God, the Almighty, I acknowledge that you are the source of all knowledge and wisdom. Everything in this world, including the knowledge I am studying, is your creation. Asking for you for guidance and intelligence. Ya Allah, grant me intelligence and wisdom in understanding and solving the problem of determining the best shock absorber for the STT suspension system. Open my heart and mind to easily absorb knowledge. Requesting calmness and strength. Ya Allah, grant me calmness in facing all change and difficult. Strengthen me so that I can face every test with the passion and hoping for Allah pleasure. Ya Allah, I undertake this task with the intention of seeking your pleasure. Make every effort I put for all act of worship that hold forth in your sign. Asking for blessing. Ya Allah, flow blessing on every step I take and every decision I make. Let the result of my work be beneficial for me, others, and my religion. And last, closing with a prayer. Ya Allah, with all humility, I seek your help and guidance. Do not let me be lost in confusion and guide me to the right path. Amen. Okay. Number three is initial thinking. The problem involves determining the optimal suspensional system for the satellite transportable terminal STT. Trailer loaded with the satellite aiming to ensure minimal displacement and maximum protection of the satellite during the transportation over the varied terrain condition. The challenge requires comprehensive understanding and application of dynamic system modeling, particularly focusing on a spring mass damper system. The system is characterized by a order linear differential equation, which accurately represent the dynamic response of the suspension system under the various loading and operational scenario. Number four is idealization. Uh, Number one, model assumption that have spring mass damper system. The suspension system is considered as a single degree of freedom dove system consisting of a mass representing the total mass of the trailer and satellite, a spring with a spring constant, and damper with a damping coefficient. The system is realistic approach to understand the basic dynamics of the trailer when moving over raw terrain. Initial condition. It is assumed that the load trailer initially at equilibrium, meaning the spring force and damping force are balanced. Before the load is applied, the displacement is 3 centimeter, but the initial condition for displacement and velocity are zero when the analysis begins. The implies that the analysis start from a rest state. Three is external force. The external force experienced by the system is model and linear function. This force represent the shocks and vibration received by the trailer while moving over uneven or rocky terrain. A sinusoidal function is chosen because it is a good representation of periodic vibration commonly occurring on raw terrain. Linearity. The system is assumed to be linear, so Fox law applied to the spring and Newton law to the mass motion. This linearity assumption simplifies the analysis and allows the use of standard analytical methods. And next, mathematical model. Differential equation. The system dynamic can be described by a second order linear differential equation. M d quadrat x dt quadrat plus okay, sorry, I have a problem. And next, d quadrat x divided by dt quadrat plus beta dx divided dt plus kx equal to ft, where the xt is the displacement of mass at the time. D quadrat x divided dt quadrat is acceleration. Dx divided by dt is the velocity, and ft is the external force. Force function, the external force applied to the system is modeled as ft equal to 200 sin 40 Newton. This function indicates as a oscillation force with an amplitude of 200 Newton and an angular frequency of 4 radian per second. Shock absorber specification. Air cost Spring constant K equal to 220 Newton meter, and damping coefficient beta 100 Newton second divided meter. This indicates a relative safe system with low damping. Cloud Rider, spring constant K 59 Newton per meter, and damping coefficient beta equal to 1050 Newton second per meter. This indicates a softer system with high damping. And the last is extreme shocks. Spring constant K equal to 117 Newton per meter, and damping coefficient beta equal to 1110 Newton second per meter. This indicates a system with a medium stiffness and very high damping. And the last one in idealization is terrain condition. It is assumed that the train transfer is raw with significant shocks, requiring careful analysis to determine the suspension system that will minimize satellite displacement and ensure its protection. And number 5 is set instruction. One, determine critically damped valve. To solve this problem, here I use the Python coding. Here's the coding I made to determine. This the coding I made in Python. We can run this code and that's the result. Cloud Rider given beta 1050 Newton second per meter, critical dam beta crit 489 Newton second per meter. This shock is overdam. Extreme shock is overdam, and air coaster. This shock is underdam. We have a result here. Next step to set instruction is solve spring mass system. This is the code I have made. We can run this in Google Colab. This the code I have run in Google Colab. The result is this graphic, the displacement of spring mass damper system. So A beta equal to 50 Newton second per meter. So B is beta equal to 100 Newton second per meter. And beta shock C beta is 150 Newton second per meter. Okay, next step is performance analysis. We analyze the shocks. Shocks one is air coaster. Since air coaster are under dam, and we get in the coding in Python, they will have higher oscillation and take longer and to settle. This means more movement and potential vibration, which could raise satellite stability and integrity during transportation. And the shocks two is cloud riders. Being over them, cloud rider will explicit less oscillation and more gradual settling. This result is reduced vibration and improved protection for the satellite as the system assists rapid movement and shocks more effectively. And last shocks is extreme shocks. Similar to cloud riders, extreme shocks are overdamped, leading to less oscillation and more gradual settling. The higher damping coefficient compared to cloud riders implies even greater resistance to rapid movements, potentially offering superior protection for the satellite. And we get half of best shocks is extreme shocks after the analysis. Extreme shocks are identified as the best shocks absorbable for minimizing displacement and protecting the satellite during transportation. Their overdam nature, high damping coefficient, and suitable stiffness make them ideal for ensuring the safety and integrity of the satellite under transport conditions. And question number B, question B is described for comment about landmarks question to AGI sheet. Elon Musk often discuss the concept of artificial general intelligence (AGI), which is which he believes could significantly impact the future of humanity. He tends to emphasize the need, caution, and responsibly development of AGI, suggesting that without proper oversight, AGI could pose existentially risks. Musk, Elon Musk is advocates for regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines to ensure AGI benefits society as a whole. His perspective generally ended with less broader concerns about the potential dangers of unchecked technological advancement. As one of the world's leading technology entrepreneur, Elon Musk has profound on technological development and it impact on humanity future. He is the founder and CEO of several major technology companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and Boring Company. Through, through the companies, Musk not only seeks to transform the automotive and space exploration industry, but also attempts to push the boundaries of human capability with advanced technology. In addition, in addition to his involvement in AGI development, Elon Musk is also known as superior of the simulation theory. This theory is posed that the reality we experience may actually be a simulation run by a more advanced civilization. Musk, Musk believe that the chance of us living in a real reality are very small, given the rapid advancement in computer technology and the ability to create highly realistic visual world. He often made it in interview and public discussion, showing his belief that if we are not already in simulation, it is very likely that we will be able to create indistinguishable simulation from reality in the near future. Elon Musk's views on simulation theory also bring about interesting discussion to when the links to religion perspective. Many religions have profound views on the nature of human existence, the purpose of life, and relationship with creature. For example, in major religion like Islam, Christian, and Hindu, there are concepts that emphasize the creation of human by a higher entity and greater purpose of life beyond more physical existence. In the context of the simulation theory, the question arises whether the concept of reality as a simulation can align with or contradict religious views on creation and existence. Some might see the simulation theory as reinforcing the concept of creation, with the notion that push simulation might be run by a higher entity that could be interpreted as God or a clearly as a God. Conversely, other might argue that his theory could observe or challenge traditional benefits about creation and the purpose of life. From a religious perspective, technological development use AGI also make profound ethical question. Many religion tradition applies human responsibility to use knowledge and power usefully and ethically. Technologies that can fundamental alter human existence, such as AGI and brain computer interference. Challenge is reconsider our ethics and morality in every evolving context.